Just a quick video to show you guys what the HID lights look like. I think they turned out pretty good. They're really bright. I wired them up to where when the high beams are on, both low and high lights are on, and the HIDs are the low beams. So worked out pretty good. Just had to use 2 relays to get good power to them, because the power that came stock didn't work for it. So it's something you guys might run into. Try to plug it straight in, it'll just give a strobe light effect, and sometimes come on, sometimes they won't. Show you what the turn signals look like. Looks pretty cool. Camera didn't really catch it as good as it should, but turned out really cool. Hopefully you guys like it. If you have any questions about it, just post a comment.